Hello friends, this is Android development. In this, whenever we go for Android development, we are getting a number of Gradle problems, Gradle build fail problems we are getting. So those are getting in a incompatibility grading settings in whenever we create an application. So whenever we create an app, we are getting incompatibility type of things we can set it. So that is the reason we are facing a lot of problems. How we need to resolve these problems, we will see now. So generally in an Android application, we need to select the Android here. We need to select Android. In this Android, we have a Gradle script. So build it out Gradle project we have here. This is a class path of dependency which Gradle you want to place. And here the Gradle target SDK and compile SDK and minimum SDK we need to set it. So these are the SDK levels, whatever the available SDKs you have in your SDK manager. Please check it. What are the APIs you installed? Here I'm installed 28. It's having an update availability, so not a problem for me. So it is in a 28. I already downloaded. So that is the reason. Whatever the downloaded SDKs you have, you need to set that. Okay. So here we downloaded 28 already in my in my Android Studio SDK I downloaded. So that is the reason I set it as 28. And here it's we need to change the how the compatibilities of app compacts of V7 28 versions. What are the things we have? How we need to change it? So first we need to go for Android Developing Studio. Taking an example here, I need to go for Android. Yeah. So in this Android development, we have an developer.android.com for SDKs. So if you observe, we have in a platform all these things we have. Okay. So latest one Kotlin we have. So we need to go for Android Studio here. So select the Android Studio. In this Android Studio, you have um, what's new. What's new here? You can get it the SDK command line tools. So what are the SDKs? What is the SDK builds we have? We can check it here. So what type of SDKs we have? We can check it here. So this is a command line SDKs. Okay. So this is a SDK building tools. Building tools. What are the SDKs? They are provided. So these are the SDKs. So if you observe here, we have an a 28.0.3 we have, but in my Android Studio I am placed at 22. We don't have any 28.2. We don't have anything. So we need to check like this, and we need to modify appropriate. So I need to change this one into 28.0.2. So this is a compatibility I have already that is available in 2018 onwards in Android. Okay, so this is I set it 2028, 20, and whatever the installed package SDKs you have, you can set it. Then after that, so we need to synchronize the project. What type of problems we are getting, we can check it here. Yeah, here we have no such property Gradle version for class Z Gradle plugin. So this is a problem of Gradle plugin. So this is a Gradle plugin we need to use. What are the types of versions we have? How we need to place it, and what compatibilities we can check it here. So go to the Android development tool here, Android Gradle plugin. So in this Android Gradle plugin, you have what type of version you want to use and what type of required Gradle version, plugin version and required Gradle version. You need to check it once. See here in my Android Studio, we have an Android Gradle model and a Gradle project. In the Gradle project, we need to check what type of things we have. So here 4.0.2 plus 6.1.1 plus. So now I need to change that one into 3.2.1 and 4.6. So where I need to change and where I need to place. Here I need to replace that one into 3 point what I need to do 3.2.1. Okay, then where is the plug where is the required Gradle version is there. So plugin version is related to project build.gradle project we have. Inside we have a version plugin. Okay, plugin version. And required Gradle version we need to place Gradle wrapper.properties. In this properties we have a 6.5. So this is a compatible issue, so that is the reason compatible issue we have. So that's what we need to change 4.6 point plus, so 4.6.0 or 4.6.1, whatever you want to do. So I need to change here 4.6 point otherwise 4.6 point or 4.6.0. Okay, then click on try again. So it will take a few minutes because of so this is cause HTTP downloads Gradle DND some of issues we have. So we need to change this one into 4.6 only. Okay, then re retry. The Gradle will be processed within fraction of minutes and seconds. It will be check the compatibilities, what are the compatibilities we set in all those things. So here we have a fail to resolve com.android.support.compact.28.02. Yes, okay. So here we need to change that one into what it is app. Okay, fine. So this word I need to change into 0.28.0.0. Yes, okay. Then the minimum SDK levels we need to set it. So it will take few minutes. Yeah, Gradle will be initializing, so almost it will be resolve the problem in, yes. Uh, Wait, Gradle build running till it's running. Okay, yes, exactly. So we resolve all the problems, Gradle problems. We are resolved. We don't have any message. This is a Gradle build success. Like this, we are need to develop changes the compatibilities, all those things. I hope all the people get good knowledge of it. Thank you. And if you interested my videos, please click on like and please share my videos and click on uh, subscribe and share follows. Thank you.